Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with QuickBooks Online for time-saving financial workflows, complete guide step-by-step clearly. To get started with QuickBooks Online, open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks website. Click on the Sign In button located in the upper right corner of the homepage. If you already have an Intuit account, enter your login credentials and click Sign In. If you do not have an account, click on Sign Up to create one. Select the QuickBooks Online subscription that fits your business needs. After choosing a plan, click on the Buy Now button. You will be prompted to fill in your personal and payment information. Review your subscription details to ensure everything is correct. Next, you will be directed to the QuickBooks Online dashboard. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your company profile. Enter your business name, industry, and business type when asked. You can customize your financial settings by selecting your fiscal year and currency preferences. Link your bank and credit card accounts to QuickBooks Online for seamless transactions. Navigate to the Transactions tab to see the bank feed feature in action. Set up your chart of accounts to categorize your finances accurately. QuickBooks Online offers customizable templates for invoices and estimates. Access the Sales menu to create your first invoice. Fill in the necessary customer details and item information. Save your invoice and send it directly to your client via email. To track expenses, head to the Expenses section and add your bills and receipts. Utilize the Reports tab to generate financial statements. Review your profit and loss statement for a clear understanding of your business's performance. Set reminders for recurring transactions to save time in the future. Explore additional integrations that work with QuickBooks Online for enhanced functionality. Finally, take advantage of QuickBooks Online's mobile app for managing finances on the go. Congratulations, you are now set up to enjoy time-saving financial workflows with QuickBooks Online. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.